This video will show you how to operate your Whale Heating Duo control panel. This control panel allows you to control both your whale water and space heating through one simple control panel. Let's start with water heating control. Press the water heating button once to activate frost protection, which keeps the water at around 5 degrees. Press twice for electric low and 3 times for electric high. Press a 4th time to select the gas setting, and a 5th time for the gas and electric setting. Now let's go through the space heating controls. Use the plus and minus symbols to adjust the thermostat to a comfortable temperature for your vehicle. In doing this, you will go through the frost protection and night mode settings. The space heater has a range of power options to choose from. Press the heating button once for electric low, twice for medium, and 3 times for high. Press a 4th time for gas only, and, if applicable, press a 5th time for gas and electric. If the space heater locks out for any fault condition, you will see a red exclamation mark to the left of the affected system. To find the type of lockout, press and hold the affected heating button, and bars on the temperature scale will illuminate, indicating the fault. The fault code guide in the product instruction guide will help you identify the cause. For more information on our products, please visit whalepumps.com.